We are a company who's in coding and marking technology, and we are based in Germany. Our product range is along the complete coding and marking side, where you have the thermal inkjet, the CIJ, the continuous inkjet, the lasers, the thermal printers and the hot stamp printers. So our customers are really from every sector you could even imagine. So it's automotive, it's pharma, it's the classical food, beverage, it's cosmetics. That also means that the demands from our customers are very special because of this broad range. But there's one conclusion I can say: they always want to have a solution. So it's not only saying I just want the marking, I want a solution in terms of speed, in terms of higher quality, in terms of some special projects. That is what they all have in common, and that is what we provide. What we of course see is the trend is going really on a high resolution and on a very, very good print quality. Speed is one factor, that's clear, but print quality is, let's say, the key success factor. That is not only because the own product management of the customer would like to see it, it's because the end customer would like to see it. So you can see on every range that the first thing the customer would like to see is really high resolution, good print quality, and it needs to fit to their own product marketing or their own package marketing. That is what we see in nearly every sector. And of course it's not only, let's say, the text, it's barcodes, it's DataMatrixCodes, it's QR codes, because very often the customer combines QR codes with some end customer things, so that is what they are looking for. And of course HP and KBA-Metronic fits perfectly together, because the combination of the ink and our betaJET gives the customer not only the high quality, it gives them really a new range of applications where you could not even imagine a few years ago that that is possible for the customer. One example, we have a long-term customers who are using foils, and the demands of the customer changed. So he would like to add some codes more, some more text, and he was increasing the speed of his production line. And beside that, because that is a challenge, besides that he came up and said, okay, I need a higher resolution. So we tried everything we could, but it was not so easy. And then together with the HP 2580, we found the solution, we printed on the foil, we showed the example to the customers, and that was really what he was wanting. And so we achieved his expectation, let's say, and in the end it was like, okay, that's perfect, that's how I imagine it, and that's how it should happen. And there was also one more important issue, because we come up with a technology which is really clean, has no maintenance, it's very easy to handle, and that was a plus for the customer at the end, because it's not only that you have on his product perfect print quality, it's also in his production process. There was a huge amount of downtime and money he could save because of switching to this technology.
The betaJET Verso we have here on the UDA Formax is an offline coding solution which is specially tailored for customers which uses products like barcodes, or which have to code barcodes, and GS1 DataMatrixCodes. KBA-Metronic's TIJ printer called betaJET Verso is perfectly fitted into our production portfolio. The HP cartridge technology provides us very good opportunities here in this case with this machine, and we are able to run the special ink here onto the surfaces which were not able in the past because of the non-porous of the material. Or for example on glass or metal, it's also possible with this ink to stick on. Earlier it was not possible to print onto this varnished surface. So we decided to test the new ink with a HP cartridge system onto this material and is satisfied. So the customer is able to run at a higher speed and also had a better print quality. The dry time is less than 1 second, and this enables us to run the UDA at almost high speed. So it's perfectly, you can run up to 100,000 pieces a day in the maximum, depending on the print. This is a very good opportunity for us to enlarge our business also in other sectors, and this makes it very fruitful for us, the partnership.